are back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to this channel, and welcome back to this another review of the Holy Stone HS270 drone or quadcopter. So if you guys are thinking of getting the drone, go look at my other video. It's right up here, and that's explaining the unboxing and how it flies. So this video is going to be how to fly it. So like all you need to know if you guys get the drone. It's going to be really cool. I have a huge field right here, so I have so much room to fly the drone. And I'm just going to say this right here. I figured out how to do follow me, and it does work. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to get the drone out. Here is the drone without the battery. So first, you're going to be putting the bottom legs out first, and then the top. So they do fold out. So this is how big it is. Here's my hand. Or here's a water bottle, and that's how big it is. So next, here is the battery here. When you put the battery in, it weighs a pretty good amount. Here is the propellers it comes with. It comes with 4 of these propellers right here. Here is the remote. You can take these things off, they don't really matter. And this thing needs to pop up like this. I don't know if these are fake or not. I don't know. And then these things right here are just to rest your hands like this right here. And then this thing pops up for your phone. That right there. And then, so if you guys have an iPhone 11, it probably won't fit your iPhone 11. You have to take the case off of it. But it does fit in really comfortably, as you guys can tell. So we are going to be going to set up the drone. I will show you guys how to. First, you're gonna have to put the battery in. This fits in right there. Next, you are gonna be turning on the remote. You just tap it, and this is how you do it right here. There's the lights and all that stuff. So you're gonna hold the drone right here. There's 3 lights right here. So you're gonna hold it for 3 seconds or 4 seconds. It turns on all blue LED lights on. Camera just moved, so the camera goes 90 degrees down, which is awesome. You can do that from your remote. So we're gonna go to Wi-Fi, tap the drone button, and it should be popping up. There we go. Holy Stone FPV 896388. So it is connecting right now. So we are gonna be going to the, where's the app? Oh, here we go. HSGPS V1. Here's the drone right here. You can go click on the drone on different drones right here. Oh, there we go. So we have the live feed right now. Let's go back. Oh, so it says that right there when it's connected. So we are gonna go here, and here is the live feed. So there is the drone. That is pretty cool. There's the field. So this says it has a 2.4K camera. The other drone video that I made had a 4K, and this is better. So I would definitely recommend getting this drone because it has a better camera, if you guys are looking for a better camera. So we're gonna, let's do this right here. So we're gonna put that right there. I did it too soon. So 360, and it will say when it's done, and then pick this up like this. Okay, place drone down. It says it's ready to go. Okay, so I armed it right now. Oh wow, it's touchy. So it just has to know where it is right now. Wow, okay. Wow, it's very touchy. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. So you have to mess with it a little bit. Let's jump down. So here it is right here. It's doing GPS right now. It's staying in one spot, kind of. I don't know, there's not that much wind right now. I accidentally pressed the button, now it's good. So we're gonna send it out. There's 3 speeds. Right now, it is on speed number 3. So we are taking it out right now. It's pretty cool, it's pretty fast. Let's do a flyby. Okay, so we are gonna start the video on here, screen recording, and we're gonna start the video on here too. So it is up right now. So first we are gonna be doing follow me mode. So the top left, see the guy? You're gonna press the stick figure, and the right one is just where it just stays still and follows you, and the left one is where you can run and it follows you. So first we are gonna do the right one where the drone just stands still, slide to track. There is some wind, so we're gonna draw on myself, and it is turning right now. I am not pressing the remote. Let's go over here, let's run. It is tracking. That is pretty cool. So we're just gonna stop that. Okay, next we're gonna do the running. We're gonna follow me, and then you have to slide the track. Oh, so it follows the remote, you don't have to do anything. So it is following me right now. That is really cool. It is following me. It is a little bumpy, but so it is following the remote, I believe. That is pretty cool. So that is, let's go right under it. So it lost me, and then I'm right here. Okay, let's stop this right now. So it does do that. We're gonna take it up. First we're gonna stop the video, and we're gonna take a picture of me. Ready? There's one. There's another. Okay, start the video again. So we're gonna do the land. So this top right button on the remote, you press that, and it is landing right now. I'm not pressing anything. We are not gonna land it because it'll turn off, and I don't want it to turn off. So, and then we're gonna do return the home. So I'm gonna press that. I ain't doing anything right now. So I hope it doesn't hit it. We'll see if it does. So it is returning to home. That is where I put it off up there. I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna probably hit it, the barn. Right now we are gonna take it up. Here we go. Up, up and away. Let's get away from the barn. Okay, we are going up. We're gonna put the camera down right now, or the right way. So there is the camera. So it's this one right here. So if you do it to the left, it tilts the camera up, and to the right, you just hold it there, and it puts the cameras down. So we're gonna put the camera up right now. That is really cool. Let's go around. That is so cool. So we're gonna see how far this goes. There's people over there. Wow. So there we are right now. There I am. I'm gonna wave right now. We're gonna go right now. So this is at the normal speed. It's really fast, I would say. It is pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna try something that I didn't try on the last drone. Let's get out of the sun, I can't see. Okay, so we're gonna press this right here, and we're gonna go, let's see. Okay, well, that's not gonna work right now. Okay, so I don't think it has it where you can like draw a map of where you want it to go. That's kind of dumb, but we're gonna take it up and we're gonna see this lake over here. We can't get too close because there is a road right there. So there is the lake there. It's pretty cool. Let's turn it around. and put it down, put the camera down. So we are right over the barn. There I am. We're gonna take it, so we're gonna see how far it goes. Let's take her down a little bit. And let's go. We don't want to go over these people because they're on the benches right there, so we don't want to distract them of their scrumptious meal I believe they're doing. Okay, so there we are. This is not how far. There's cars over there. So let's go this way. Okay, let's take it back to us. Here it comes. That is so cool. Wow, look at that. There she is, right up there. Sorry if you guys can't see because of the sun. It's a beautiful day out. Okay, so we're gonna try to get a good picture of me right now. See how good the camera is of people. If you want it to be a selfie camera, it can be that, yeah. So we're gonna take it around and about. So this quadcopter has maybe 20 minutes of flight. So we are here. Let's go down a little bit and take a picture. So there's one picture, let's take another one. So it is going back and forth. So let's take it. Let's do a flyby. That is so cool. That is cool. I didn't get that on video, so let's do that again. Perfect. Let's go through these trees. Let's see if we can... Oh, I almost just hit a branch there. I think I'm close to a tree. Uh-oh, here it comes. That was cool. Okay, we're gonna take it up as high as we can get it. I'm gonna do it right in the field here because I don't want it to drop anywhere else. If it does drop, I'll try to catch it. Well, let's hope not, it doesn't drop. And I can press return to home. So we are pretty high right now, as you guys can see. I don't know how high we are. I wish it said the altitude. I think we're at 30, 40 feet. I don't know. I don't think we are. But we are gonna go up. Up we go. Oh wow, we got a great view. Let's take a picture right now. Dang. And let's put the drone down so you guys can see how high we are. Probably doesn't look that high, but we are high. So we're gonna still try to go up high. And we are still climbing. This is pretty cool. So this drone does go pretty high. I'm gonna put the camera down. The beeping, you don't really need to mind. I'm just gonna go up higher and higher and higher. It is pretty high. So we still have really good connection on this. This is amazing. Like the connection we have on this thing, it's amazing. So let's start that video again. Let's go around and around. Let's just go over there. There's a lake right over there. I don't know if it's still going. Yeah, it's still. Actually, I don't know. I think that's as high as it can go. But still, that is really high for a drone. $150 drone. That lake is pretty cool. Let's take another picture of that. There we go. Let's put the camera down. Wow. Okay guys, I would definitely recommend this drone. 100%. Let's go take it over there. Okay, so the remote's lagging. That is not good. So I'm bringing it back because we're gonna press land because the wind is carrying it. Oh, drone low voltage. So that means that that's how long we can do it. It is going out of control right now. Okay, it is landing by itself because the drone is gonna die. Let's just stop the landing procedure. Or is it still gonna land? Nope, it's not gonna land. Oh, it is landing because it's at low voltage. But let's take her, can we take her up? No, we can't because okay, and it just turns off by itself. That is really cool. And it disconnected my phone too, so yeah, it's kind of stinks. But yeah, this is the review of the Holy Stone HS270 drone. Please like, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next review. Peace.